Yes, good morning, students. So now we'll discuss exemplar questionnaire. First, let us read the question. First question in the exemplar questionnaire. So a copper wire 3 in diameter is wound about a cylinder whose length is 12 centimeter and diameter is uh, what 10 centimeter. So as to cover the curved surface area of the cylinder, find the length of the mass of the wire, assuming that density of the copper wire is 8.8 grams per centimeter cube. So look at there. So they have given density, we need to find the mass. In general, density principle is mass per volume. Mass per volume. So if you want to find the volume, density is equal to, first general description I am giving to you. So density is equal to mass per volume. That means mass is equal to density into volume. So this principle I am going to use at last. Volume they have, so density they have given, we need to find the volume of the wire, total volume of the wire. Once if you know the total volume of the wire, we can tell density. So here you do one thing. So first let me draw the visualize the figure for that. So and before going to that, so a rough sketch I am drawing. This is a cylinder. This cylinder is wound with copper wire, something like this. So there is a copper wire something like this here. So if the copper wire is like that, so here we need to find how many number of turns are there first, since we don't know. So we don't know what is the total length of the wire. So it's once if you want to find the volume of the wire, what we have to do is first we need to find the total length of the wire, and with respect to the given dimension I can give the volume also. Let us see how I am going to find. So to find first number of turns here, number of turns. So here there are the turns something like this. So first this will become height. So the height of the cylinder, how can I give is, so number of rounds into, see this thickness, that means diameter of the wire is equal to height of the cylinder. I want to tell number of turns into diameter is equal to height of the cylinder. So let me explain this briefly, how it is going to be, why it is becoming like that. So here turns will be like this actually on one another. So here how many number of turns are there, we don't know. So actually this will be the height. For example, you take this is the height. So the diameter of this, the diameter of this, the diameter of this, the diameter of this, the diameter of this total will be equal to height. That means, for example, I am taking here, there are n number of turns are there. These turns I have placed like this. So there are n number of turns like this, n into, so diameter of each wire is equal to, diameter of each wire is equal to height of the cylinder. Now from this I can find the what diameter, number of turns first. Now let number of turns is equal to n. So if the number of turns is n, then I can write n into diameter is equal to height. So just now I told. So n into diameter is equal to height means what? N is equal to height by diameter. So what is the height? Height they have given. So height they have given as 12 centimeter in the question. And diameter of the wire, what is the diameter of the wire? So 3 mm they have given. So diameter of the wire is 3 mm. So we need to convert into centimeters. 3 by 10, that is 0.3 centimeters. 0.3 centimeters. So it will become how much? 12 by 3 into 10. So it will go up 3 1 the 3 4. There are total number of turns will be 40 turns. Next what I am going to find is, so I am going to find the first length of the wire for n rounds. That means total number of rounds. Look at here. So here it is the cylinder. So there are the turns like this. So here if I want to calculate the total length of the wire, first I need to calculate the circumference of the one round. So the circumference of the one round multiplied by the all round. So circumference of the one round is equal to what? 2 pi r. 2 into 22 by 7 into, and the radius what is the value of radius they have given here? So the radius will be once check in the data, diameter will be 10 centimeter they have given. So now the radius will become, the diameter of this one will be 10 centimeter, and the radius will become what here, 10. See, don't be confused, this is the radius of what, this wire. Wire is obviously in the cylindrical shape, radius of the wire is 3 millimeter, but diameter of this one is 10, so radius will become 5. With respect to that I am telling here. So now how can I do is 2 pi r into, what is the value of r here, the value of r will be 5. So let it be, we make it as pi only, this will become 10 pi up to here, otherwise 10 into 3.14. so now up to here we got circumference of the one round. Total how many rounds are there, n is equal to 40. So total length will be, one round will be this much, 10 pi, 40 rounds will be 40 into pi. Total length is equal to, what is that, 40 into 10 into pi, that means 400 into 3.14. so 400 into 3.14, what is the value of 400 into 3.14? it will be, otherwise 4 into 314 approximately. So 4 into 314 will be, it's an around and about, otherwise you make this as 22 by 7 only. So now it will become 8800 by 7. Am I right? Yes, 22 for the 88. 8800 by 7. 8800 by 7 means 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 7 5 ja 35, 7 7 ja again 7 1 ja again 7 4 ja. So it will become 1257.14 centimeters. So if you want to convert that into meters, simply it will become 12.57 meters by what, 12.14 by 100, we need to multiply. So up to here we got the length. Now so radius of the wire is how much, radius of the wire is 3 mm. So if you want to convert into, otherwise 0.3, see this is 0.3 meters, this is the diameter. Now the radius here will be 0.15 meters, 0.15 meter. Now what I am going to do is, volume of the wire I am going to calculate. So volume of the wire, once again I am telling, so radius of the wire is 0. How much, 15 meters we got. Now I am going to calculate volume of the wire. So how could I calculate the volume of the wire is my question. So volume of the wire is what, area of the cross section into its length. So I'm sorry, volume of wire is equal to area, I told for prism, area of cross section into height. So then how could I give area of the cross section, what is the principle for area of the cross section, pi, so that will be the circular shape, that means pi r square into height. What is the height, 1257.14 we got already, this is going to be the height, or 12.17. so everything will be in the everything should be in the same measure. So that's the reason I am writing here as pi into 0.15 whole square into 1257.14. then if you multiply both of them, what you are going to get here is 22 by 7 into 0.15 into 0.15 into next one is going to be 1257.14 centimeters square. Okay, so it will be how much, this will be 1257.14. so now is there any chance of cancellation? No. So if you multiply all of these, this will be 3.14, otherwise 7 1 here, here if you take 7 1 7, then what you will get, 5 will be left, 7 7 49, 55 no, again 6 will be left, 7 7 okay, 3.14 into 15 15 225, 0.15 into 0.15 into 1257.14. so you multiply these two, and you multiply these two, and after that just 314 into 15 into 15 into 1257.14. So I'm not going to take much time here for the simplification, so I've done directly. Now the value you are going to get here as 88.898, I think 898 centimeter square. What you have to do, multiply 314, multiply 50 with 15, 15 15 the 225, 314 into 225 into 120, 120 we have to multiply, so that you will get this value. But here this is the volume of the wire, this is the volume of the wire, volume of the wire we got. Now we have to find what they asked, mass. Mass is equal to first one volume into density. What is the volume? 88.898 into what is the density they have given in the question. Once I glance, the density of the wire they have given it as 8.88 grams per centimeter cube. 8.88. So now 88.898 multiplied by 8.88. So now 898 multiplied by 888 is 64. Okay, you multiply these two and you are going to get the value. Otherwise leave the decimal. 88898 into 8.88, leave the decimal. 888 into 88898 you have to multiply and leave the decimals. How many decimals we have to leave? 1 2 3 4 5 decimals we have to leave, so that you will get the value as 789.41 grams you will get. 41 grams you will get. So you do this simplification, you will get the clarity easily. Everyone has to try the next question now.